Now the real question is,
can you figure out how to use that?
The real question is, do we go back up that thing or try down that way? Day 3, we decided to rent some scooters and try to travel to the top of Lombard Street.
Not happening.
Turns out there's not enough power on those. So we ditched them and then walked up the street. We still have a block to go, so it's not too far. Well, today we're going to go to Chinatown. We're going to maybe go back to Little Italy. If we get time, we'll go over to Marshall's Beach.
No, we're going to go get a crouton? What are they called?
Cronut?
A cruffin. A cruffin. Maybe the ferry building and the aquarium.
So, anyways, we'll see you at the top of the hill.
Okay, bye. Show. It was so busy. It's a holiday weekend. It's super nice out. Like, I get why it's super busy, but maybe going on Thursday would have been a better idea.
I was trying to film some fun and pretty stuff, and all of a sudden it just became a insane loud noises and screeches, and I was like, what is going on? So it turned out about 50 mini motorcycles showed up and were doing wheelies and stoppies down the hill.
And all the cars were honking.
Yeah.
Every car was so pissed, and they were all honking. They were like, "Get out of the road!"
Yeah, and then they got to the end there, and then they kind of just blocked the road off and started doing donuts. It was kind of fun to see, actually.
Yeah, really. I'm hungry. I want baked goods.
Okay, well, we're finally gonna make it to the bakery here.
Hopefully, that's not super busy too.
Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Same question always. I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get there?
So I got the jalapeno bacon cheese croissant. It's really good. What'd you get?
I got a churro. It's like better than churros. We are in Chinatown, so we're gonna go in, and I gotta find some new sunglasses because mine broke.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
Red bean bun. In there they call them Chinese. Oh my gosh, that's so good. It's like crispy on the outside with the sesame seeds, but the inside is so good and chewy. And a good piece of bean in there. candy, like sugar, just basically sugar, and they keep pulling it and pulling it like basically a million times, I say, until it turns into this really, really thin, sugary like nest of delicious sugar candy. Stopped over at Steep Tea Bar. It's kind of on the edge of Chinatown to get some boba tea. We usually don't get it with the like actual boba in it. We get it with the lychee jellies. And this one is green tea with strawberry syrup and lychee jellies, and then like a splash of lime. You can see the lime on it. And it's the most delicious thing. It's so refreshing for today.
We are done with Chinatown and we are headed to Ferry Building, which is a pretty iconic welcome to San Fran area.
And it's supposed to have a market in it and all that stuff, so we're gonna do that. And then I really want to go walk over and see the sea lions really bad.
Yes. We have scooted over, literally scooted, with over to Pier 39, and this is where we're at now.
Every relation is a struggle these days. Try to keep them alive, but we throw them away. Love should be a joy. Every relation is a struggle these days. Try to keep them alive, but we throw them away. Love should be a joy. Looking for love in every corner. The hardest part is to not think it over. Yeah. Is he the one? Could I find a better one? I think I could do better.
Okay, so I know the pier gets crazy busy, but it's totally worth fighting through the crowds to get to see these guys.
Alright, we are heading out of here and going to In-N-Out Burger.
We didn't get to go to the aquarium because it was about to close when we got here, but we did get to see the sea lions, which I consider just as cool. So
I got some cheap sunglasses, so
yeah.
my eyes aren't going to fry. Alright, In-N-Out Burger. We are heading down to Marshall Beach. It's on a trail here.
half-mile hike.
About a half mile down. So far it's pretty simple. Apparently there's some stairs ahead that will make it easier to get to the bottom. It's the Bridges to Batteries Bluff is the drop off. That's where the trailhead starts. It's right between Baker Beach and Marshall Beach.
Okay, so slight change of plans. We went over to the trail that we thought was gonna take us to Marshall Beach, and it just took us to this really cool bunker. But that's okay. Now we're taking a different trail that's like a little bit further down to Baker's Beach, down something called a sand ladder, which I do not know what that is, but we're gonna find out.
Oh, that's why.
Oh, because it's not. Look at
That is a sand ladder. Definitely a trek down the stair or the ladder.
Sand ladder.
Sand ladder. But wow, is it worth it here?
It's so pretty.
Baker's Beach is sweet. We couldn't quite get over the hump to get to Marshall's Beach. It's a little bit of too much of a climb. But as it turns out, it's a mega photography hotspot. There were at least, I don't know, 100 photographers and a handful of models, dogs.
But the sunset is absolutely beautiful right now.
Now the real question is,
Can you figure out how to use that?
the real question is, do we go back up that thing or try down that way?
I don't know.
It's a nice little trail leading right back to the parking lot, so.
Yes. Which is over there. Okay, so we had a little bit of a change of plans. When we were walking past Cha-Cha-Cha, I saw this other restaurant that is a Puerto Rican restaurant, and I had to go stop in. It's called Parada 22, and it looks delicious. We're gonna have some chicharrones de pollo and drink some Mexican Cokes and try this place instead.
Alright, so we just left
Parada 22.
and we got the fried chicken and it was unbelievably good.
So good. And the yellow rice and the beans were...
Alright, we ran out of battery, so that was cut off on the last clip here, but anyways, we are done for the day here. It's been a super long day, lots of walking, we're exhausted, but we still have one more day here. A lot more stuff to do tomorrow, so...
Look at how sunburned I am.
Oh, I got really burnt today, so yeah. Leave it to the Norwegian kid to not bring sunscreen with him to San Francisco.
We brought sunscreen, you just didn't use it.
Right, that might have happened too, so... Anyways, we will see you tomorrow, and we will go show you the last things before we head out to Minnesota. Peace out.